Okay, here's everyone on my birthday, part two. Here's Linda.
Look here.
She's filming other people, so I'm gonna film her boob.
Really? That is kinky.
Here's David. Look at them trying to start the fire. Look at the meat, it's cooking already. We ate already though. And here's Linda's boyfriend, David. Cookie smiles. Say hi. Introduce yourself to the camera.
I'm David.
And you're Linda's boyfriend.
I'm a pet.
Linda, you're tickling me. Here's Lamb, very happily cooking, trying to at least. We can see down his shirt soon.
Ooh.
There's Justin
and David has something in common.
Say
they both
something.
have something under their shirts.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Okay, we're almost gonna have food. It's your fault for coming so late, but thank you for buying me coal and marshmallows. Here's Danny, also came late.
Because you picked this godforsaken place.
I'm sorry, you guys. I don't know why everyone's wearing black. Here's Jimmy
be like the chefs at Tropico.
Jimmy and Kevin. They don't know I'm filming them.
That would be like
they're walking away now. Here's two lovely ladies that I really like a lot.
You quit though.
Look how pretty they are. I only talk to pretty people. I know.